What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev. If you're new here, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So the wig that we'll be working with today is from CurlyMe.com, and I just want to give you a quick run through of what I got in my package. They can get on the website. Now, this unit that we'll be working with today is their 3-in-1 half wig, and I got it in 26 inches. It is a 180% density, and this is their water wave curl pattern. Like, look how juicy these curls are. Now, on the inside of the wig, there is 4 combs. It also has a drawstring for comfort and adjustability, and also that detachable elastic band. Now, the style that we'll be doing today has been trending on TikTok. I've seen it on Pinterest. So instead of doing a regular, you know, like a flip over method or a headband type of style, you know, it's super easy, and all of those are fun because you can do so much with this half wig. But we're gonna zhuzh it up a little bit because this is gonna give vacation ready, and also it's gonna give summertime ready. Now, I need you to pay attention to how I'm parting my hair because it's gonna be very important for how this style is gonna come out. This is my first time doing this style too. Like, I'm new to this just like y'all. Now, this braiding gel is my absolute fave. It's called Pure Natural. The ingredients list is so short, and it is such a conditioning gel. I've been using it for months now, and 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Like, your hair doesn't feel dehydrated once it's out of braids using this braiding gel. Highly recommend it. Now, I might look a little bit, you know, funny looking with my fingers because y'all know I can't really braid like that. Like, we're still in our trial era, but I got through it. Do you see them braids though? So I did a little slant situation in the front, and then I'm just braiding my natural hair. Now, it's short, so we're gonna need to add some braiding here. So I add about 3 pieces of braiding here. I just keep feeding that in, and you don't have to do it too long. I'm using like a 36-inch braiding here to do this because it's all gonna be tucked in anyway, but I needed my hair to make sure that it's secured with the braid, so I couldn't just use my hair only to do this braid because I didn't want it to pull out in the end. So yeah, so pay attention to that parting. So basically what I do is like 2-inch over from the starting point, if y'all know what I mean. So we're doing slanted braids. We're going to the side, and I find that this was easiest for me because, you know, if you are new to braiding, you're a beginner, you can even do flat twist with this, or you could do crisscross. Like, for my girls who can't braid, y'all know I still have them little tutorials that you can do. So you can watch one of my crisscross videos to do in the front if you like don't want to do the braids. But babes, the braids, oh my goodness, the braids are down with this style. So once I've done my braids, I think I did about 6, so 3 on each side. And then I'm going to use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner and this bonding oil together to put on the back portion of my hair, because we want to make sure that it's moisturized in order for this to qualify for protective style. You know, the girls be tussling when it comes to what qualifies for a protective style, so we want to make sure that our scalp and our hair is nourished. Now, what you're going to do to install this wig is first you're going to put in the first comb on top. Make sure that your hair is either braided down or you have some type of anchor, and then you're going to put in the other 2 combs on each side, so that's 3 combs already in. And then we're going to put in the back comb and then adjust the detachable strap and the drawstring in the back, and girl, that thing is secured. Okay, now I'm gonna do like a little nesting in the front, like create a little, what do you call that, a tease? Yes, that's what the girls call it. Do a little teasing on top to try to hide the hair in the front. But honestly, how this wig is structured so perfectly for this type of style, because how they made the wig, you're not seeing the weft of the hair. Like that flip over thing that you usually do when you're doing like a quick weave or whatever, it's already done for you in this wig. So you already got the invisible part. You don't have to do the invisible crochet method. You don't have to do none of that because the wig is just structured so greatly. Now I'm going to go in with some water to drench the hair. We're trying to define the curls. So then I'm going to go in with this little Denman brush just to comb it out. Then of course we're going to go in with some mousse. So I love this olive oil mousse. It is still lightweight without being crunchy, and it makes the hair look so shiny, so defined, yet still effortless, and I love that. Now I'm just gonna do a little finger twisting with the hair just to help define some of it. And of course we're gonna put some mousse on the ends, make sure that all of that is saturated throughout the hair. Now for edges, I'm using the She Balm Edge Control, and I just do my little soup to the dupe action, like nothing crazy, because I didn't leave a lot of edges out, but I did leave enough out where I didn't have to tug on my edges. My edges are still secured, okay? No missing edges around here by trying to braid my thoughts and prayers in these braids. But girl, I shocked myself with how well these came out. Now I put a little bit of Shea Moisture mousse on top, and I'm going to use this molding wrap just to make sure that my braids stay held down, especially since the top part is just my hair. Then we're going to use some oil sheen to spray all over that. Give us some shine. I love using oil sheen on curly hair because it just gives, you know, that shiny finish salon ready look. And then we're gonna leave this to dry for a couple of minutes, and then it's ready to go. Now this is the hair once it is about 90% dry. Do you see how juicy these curls are? Do you see the definition? Girl, this hairstyle is the style for the summer. It is your next vacation style that you can do on yourself. Forget having someone else do it for you, because you can do it for yourself. And the best part about a half wig is that you can do a half up, half down. You can do a quick weave style without doing the quick weave method, where you can still, you know, take care of your hair, wash, rinse, and repeat. Like, you need this half wig in your life this summer because you're gonna see her on repeat. Absolutely love it. All the details for this unit will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all major social media platforms at Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.